Have you ever wondered how to grow delicious, crunchy carrots? Carrots are not just tasty, they're nutrient-packed and easy to grow. Let's dive into your ultimate guide for growing carrots at home. First, let's define what you need. Carrots grow best in loose, well-drained soil. Compact or rocky soil makes it hard for carrots to grow straight. Choose a sunny spot. Carrots need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Next, prepare your soil. Start by clearing away any weeds or debris. Loosen your soil to about 12 inches deep. This will help carrots develop properly. You can mix in compost for added nutrients. Now it's time to sow the seeds. Plant carrot seeds about 1/4 inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. Rows should be spaced about 1 foot apart. Carrot seeds are tiny, so keep an eye on spacing to avoid overcrowding. Water your seeds gently after planting. Keep the soil moist but not soaked. Carrot seeds can take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. Patience is key here. Once your carrots sprout, thin them out. Remove the weaker seedlings, leaving strong ones about 3 inches apart. This helps ensure your carrots have enough space to grow larger. As your carrots grow, monitor their water needs. Keep the soil damp, especially during hot weather. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Keep an eye out for pests. Carrots can attract pests like aphids and carrot flies. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil to keep your crop healthy. After about 70 to 80 days, your carrots are ready to harvest. You'll know they're ready when the tops peek through the soil. Gently pull them up, being careful not to break them. If you want to store your carrots, place them in a cool, dark place. They can last for weeks in the fridge. Freshly grown carrots taste better than store-bought. In summary, growing carrots involves choosing the right spot, preparing the soil, sowing seeds, watering, and harvesting. With these simple steps, you can enjoy homegrown carrots all year round. Ready to grow your own carrots? Start your gardening journey today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks for successful gardening.